Welcome to Super Maths Help 24. We want to look at this problem, want to evaluate this problem using common logarithm. This is a problem they handle in year 11. So let's get into the problem. All right, how do we solve this? I'm going to use a very summarized way of doing it. I'm going to also be doing some unique things that you're probably not seen. And let's see. So first of all, what we are given is this. This is the ninth root of 0.00314. If I write this in standard form under this radical sign, this will be 3.14 times 10 raised to the power of negative 3. Now I'll go to my number and log chart. That's how I intend to do this. So now this number, remember this number and this number is the same, so this will be 3.14 times 10 raised to the power negative 3. Now this will be written as bar 3. Where did the bar come from? That's negative 3, and then point, then the common logarithm, or the logarithm of 3.14 to base 10 is 4969. I did this with a calculator. All right, you can also get this from log table. Now this expression, then now the ninth root of this expression, 3.14 times 10 raised to the power negative 3. This will be the same thing as what we have here, bar 3.4969 divided by 9. Okay, now notice that 9 cannot divide this, and this is the characteristics. This characteristics is a negative number. The mantissa is a positive number. So what do? Now we have to separate these two numbers into their forms. In their forms, this number is the same thing as minus 3 plus, this is 0.4969. So in this form now, what will I do to make this divisible by 9? I'm going to subtract 6, and when I subtract 6, I will also add 6, so that it will cancel out. So what I have here will now be, bar 3 plus bar 6. I've subtracted 6 here, so I have to add that 6 plus 6, okay, and then plus this part. This is 0.4969. all right, now this is all divided by 9. Now notice that this will cancel out. This is 0. If without this, this is bar 6. Without this, we'll go back to this. Now what's the implication of this? All right, the implication of this is that this and this will add up to give me bar 9 or minus 9, okay, plus this will add up. This is a positive side, it will add with this. This will give me 6.4969, okay, divided by 9. Now this divide, this will give me bar 1, okay. Now plus this divide, this cannot go, so that will be 0. Then put point. Now combine this, you have 64. 9 into 64 is 7. That's 63. Remainder 1. Put 1 here. 9 into 19 is 2. That's 18. Remainder 1. Put 1 here. This is 1. And then go ahead the division. 16. That's 7. 7 here is 8. That's 72. And then that will be 63 again, and then you have 7. Now we have to approximate this to 4 significant figures, because in the table of values, what we have is in 4 significant figures. So this written in a combined form will be bar 1 point, this is 721 approximately, that's 9. Now this is where we'll go for our anti-log. Now the answer here will be, this is 10 raised to power, this is -1, that's this is telling me the power of 10, just like what we did from here. Now times the anti-log of 0.72 under 1 difference 9 is 5.271, and that's my final answer. This answer can be written as, this is also the same thing as 0.5271. Now you can check this with your calculator and you will see this. I want to give you one problem you can try. Hopefully we can make another video on that problem. Let's look at that problem that you try on your own. All right, you can try this problem using the same method I used. Hopefully we may see a video on this. Thanks for being a part of this video. Like, share, subscribe, so that we can continue to create this content. Thank you.